You know, growing up, I was like, I could never be with an actor. And then when you become an actor, you're like, nobody wants to date you.
Emotionally available but boring, or super exciting but no EQ.
Boring guys are great.
Explain.
No, I love boring guys. आज क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं. तुमने खाना खाया? ये.
People saying Bollywood में तो सब यार बस नशे करते हैं.
Oh, or should I say?
You always get asked about dating. Is that irritating beyond a point? Is
Not
that
at all,
like-
because I am dating somebody. I love him so much.
Today we have a, if I may use that word, looky on the Good Girl show, and I'm using it for a reason. लोग सोचेंगे ये क्या तरीका है किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस
Context
करने
is
का.
king.
Context is very very important. We have Palak Tiwari on the Good Girl show. Hi Palak.
Hello, thank you for having me.
I have introduced her as Lukhe because it's written on her t-shirt right there. Lukhe, जो ये इनका नया show
है.
आ रहा है Prime Video पर.
Yes.
Full on branding, yaar.
We have to now. You gotta own it. You gotta own it. And also, our main thing with the show is because there's such a negative connotation attached to the term Lukha and Lukhe and Lukhi.
Yeah.
It's to take that and sort of like take that power away from it, and also sort of rebrand it as something that's not negative and like sort of give a new meaning to the word.
I want to thank Aurelia for being our friends on the show and for actually giving me clothes to wear. तो मैं शुरुआत करती हूँ with the first question that I always ask, you know, every girl who sits on the couch. Were you ever asked to be a good girl? What did you understand of it?
You know, I think by the virtue of my mom raising me and my nani raising her, there was, I think we were always very far ahead when it came to women empowerment, or I think we were always a woman first household. That's just how life turned out to be. So my mom has never ever looked at me and said, be a good girl. It's always been, be happy. You know, and whatever makes me happy is what she's happy with. And also, I really think there is a reason why only girls are called good and women are called strong. You know, I think that says a lot. So I'd rather be a happy woman than a good girl anyway. That's a precedent my mom set for me. I think happy women are the prettiest.
Wow.
And good is subjective anyway, you know.
Yes.
So, but luckily, no, nobody was ever like, even my nani, for somebody that's was born and raised in UP with like 8 siblings, I think, she was never in a position where even, you know, she felt the need to come look at me or look at my mom and be like, be a good girl. You know, because I think in our family, good is, I think you can be good to your family. You know, you can be good to yourself, but you can't be good, period. Because what does that even entail, you know?
Correct. Yeah, bang on, absolutely. But you've obviously heard कितनी सारी stories सुनी about your mom. But you mentioned your nani. Tell me, कैसा था उनके साथ bond? नानी के साथ कैसा bond था?
I am very, 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 very close to my nani क्योंकि जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरी मम्मी कसौटी शूट करी थी, right? And television hours are very gruesome. They often shoot for 12, 16, 18,
Yeah.
20, 25, 36 hours. Like there's no telling when it'll stop depending on when your air time is, right? So it was often that she wasn't home. And my nanny's raised me completely. You know, my nanny taught me everything. I'm a lot like my nanny, actually. My nanny and I are both vegetarians. We are both very into cosmetics and skincare and, you know, cute pajamas and fabrics. And I get my girly pop thing from my nanny, I feel. And she was always very loving and patient with me. She used to pick me up from school. She used to drop me to school. And she's raised me, yeah.
Yeah. So when you say that ये कि you have to be a good girl, ये कभी नानी से नहीं आया, कभी मम्मी से नहीं आया, do you remember ऐसी कुछ memory है या ऐसा कुछ याद है when maybe she said something to you or she did something and where you felt like, wow, man, मतलब नानी, you're a baddie.
I think I was so sheltered in a sense कि या मेरी मम्मी खुद तो मेरे साथ कुछ obviously बदतमीजी नहीं करती थी, पर किसी और को भी मेरे साथ कोई बदतमीजी नहीं करने देती थी. I was very sheltered in the sense कि my mom is like, please do not project that onto my kid. And she got that from my nani. You know, by the time I came around, my nani was a retired baddie, one can say, because I think she had passed everything on to my mom.
Yeah.
But my mom was always, I remember, like, I had a friend, and I don't think he meant it in a ill way at all. We were children, you know, who even knows? But I think my mom and my dad were going through a divorce, and he was like, listen, I have to go home. I have to go home. Like, it's it's curfew, you know, I have to go home. And I was like, it's fine, just stay 30 more minutes, you know. And he was like, no, you don't get it, like, because you don't have a dad at home, you know. And I felt very bad, obviously, because I was 8. And I went and told my mom. I was like, you know, he said this. And my mom was like, And then she went to his house and she was like, listen, I don't care how you guys are. I don't care what your thing is. But she does have a dad at home. It's her nani, it's me, it's us. We are her dads at home. We don't need a dad at home because she has a mom at home. And my mom sheltered me through everything. Really, I could like go on and on just about like the cool things my mom's done. But yeah.
Correct. But was it like, bachpan mein kabhi bhi, was it tough to navigate situations or questions like this? Like, did it really bother you at times?
It never really bothered me, if I'm being very honest. It never bothered me. Also, I think a child is like a sponge, right? You reflect whatever your parents are showing you. It never felt like there was a void in my family. It never felt like,
kuch missing hai.
Never, ever. And that's all that matters, right? I had my nana, I had my nani, I had my mom, I had my mama, I had my other mama. It was a full house.
Yeah.
You know, I was like, I couldn't tell anybody was missing. In fact, I was like, oh, aaj 3 log extra hai. You know, it was like a very crowded, fun home. I've never felt deprived of anything in my life. You know, in that sense, I truly believe I'm very privileged. In fact, this like sense of is something lacking. I got to explore that a lot more with Sanobar, this character that I'm playing in Lukhe, because she never had a dad.
Yeah.
We don't know what happened to her mom, you know, and there is that sense of where do I belong? What am I? I think it takes away from your self-identity a lot if there's nobody to help you cope with it. But I think if you coped with it correctly, it doesn't feel like anything, honestly.
Right. Thank you. That's a wonderful start, and I'll use that as a segue to move into our first segment of the show. Are you ready for the first segment, Palak? It's called Girlhood Flashbacks.
Oh.
Your teenage celebrity crush. Was there somebody you were obsessed with?
Zayn Malik.
Oh.
I was obsessed with Zayn. I had a life-size poster of him in my
wardrobe.
Yeah, I replaced my mirror with Zayn Malik. Imagine, for a teenage girl, I must really like him.
Correct. Was there any celebrity or actor or character you tried to copy a lot?
Bachpan mein my mom used like you're a menace because you behave like Shin-chan a lot.
Okay.
And you're not even a boy, so what are you doing? You know, and I was like, hey. That stupid laugh.
Oh, kya notorious bacha tha wo.
So my mom was like, please. And my mom was like, very like, just stop watching Disney Channel. Because I was like, Mom! So yeah.
Okay. A word people used the most to describe you?
One would say hyper or like very...
Okay.
I'm like very energetic.
Okay.
You know, so...
Okay. A fashion phase you regret? Koi... growing
neon.
Up, neon.
Nobody looks good in neon. There's a reason why it's like on signals. You know, there's a reason why it's like stop. Like don't wear neon. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. Something you were insecure about growing up?
Probably my muchi. I had a mustache, right? And I got it from my mom. Even she used to have a mustache when she was around my age. But that was a great topic of conversation back in school. So I felt very like hairy and like not great. But the day I shaped it, I was like, nobody look me in the eye. You're inferior, you know?
Correct.
But yeah, but probably that.
But were you picked on?
No,
Right.
but you know, like, I mean, I had friends who were like, oh, Muchi. And I was like, shut up, you know?
Yeah.
But it stays with you, right? And
Correct.
also when you're a teenager, more so than ever, you want to look perfect, you know?
Yeah. A moment that felt like the end of the world उस time पर, but now you look back and realize कि यार इतनी भी कोई बड़ी चीज नहीं थी यार. I could have been a little chill about it.
Everything feels like the end of the world, right? When you're a teenager.
Yeah.
I think every breakup in my life has felt like the end of the world.
Right.
You know, every, like, no, it doesn't even have to be a breakup. Every time, like, I'm like, you know, I remember, firstly, you know, when I was a child, I had seen so many of these films where there was this like false concept of every time you're going through a breakup, you have to finish a tub of ice cream. Why?
A love advice you believed as a kid that makes no sense now.
My God, no love advice I believed as a kid. Makes
Or
sense now.
or any idea of love, and अब ऐसा लगता है कि यार मैं
I still believe in every idea of love I had as a
Acha.
kid, by the way. I don't like to kill the romantic in me,
Hmm.
but more or less, we need to believe, as much as I hate to say it, you can't fix him. You can't. Like, as much as you want to be like, मैं करूँगी, नहीं,
नहीं बहन.
नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा.
Yeah, you're right कि ये हम सबने romanticize किया है
Yeah,
actually ना.
that no.
Okay.
He's saying get lost, but he means come over here, hold my hand, and watch me cry. But he doesn't cry. is what I'm telling you.
Okay. Something that you thought good girls are supposed to do that you have unlearned.
Yeah, I think, you know, you make such a big deal about like the duality of a woman. I think I can be a very sweet girl. I can be the nicest person ever till you cross me, and then I can be extremely badtameez. But for some reason, when a girl gets badtameez, you're ill-mannered. You know? And probably you're not the sweetest or you're not the nicest, but like I think I unlearned that very fast.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. कि you can be more than one thing. Like,
Yeah, you can be nice and have a hot head. You know what I mean?
or have a boundary, bro. Like,
Yeah, literally.
sometimes it's just a boundary, na?
Yeah, true. Yeah, true. Boundaries is a huge
Yeah.
thing. Or like saying, like, no, I'm not, no, I don't want to do that. You know, I think girls feel the pressure to like be like, oh no, that's fine. So much more. Like, I feel like guys in general are so much more like, nahi, ye mat karo na. And I think it's so cool to like grow up and learn that I can just as well be like, and also it's just in your head also most of the time. You think I shouldn't say it, but like nobody even cares,
Yes.
you know?
Yes.
So I think that was a huge unlearning for me.
yeah. A part of your girlhood you want to hold on to forever.
I think just the whole concept of doing skincare and putting silly masks and putting silly pimple stickers and making like something as stupid as a pimple feel like so much fun, you know, and matching it to your outfit. That I think spending your entire life with your girlfriends, like, what do you mean you just had a shitty day and then you went home and you just had a shitty day? If you had like with me and like my best friends, if we had a shitty day, it's like, yes, now we have something to discuss for the rest of the week.
Correct.
You know,
Huh.
like it's like, oh my god, something bad. This person was mean to me.
Let's go.
We have somebody to bitch about for 2 weeks now. What do you mean? It's a privilege. We wait for people to treat us like shit. So we can be like, you know what happened today? And then we're like, oh, you know what? Firstly, about that person, can I just say? And then we go to how probably the mom neglected them when they were young, and you know how probably in the future they still won't be mad. I don't know. We're like,
Yeah, मतलब yeah,
we go
conversation
crazy.
कहीं से start होकर कहीं
yeah,
पर-
imagine discussing
Correct.
a person for 2 weeks straight because they were mean to you for 1 minute of your day. Like, it's a like gift, but we crave कि कोई तो बदतमीजी करो. You know?
Love it. I also love the first part that you said, which is I want to hold on to simple things like makeup or like you know,
Yeah.
pimple patches. And I'm saying this because I mean it sounds like a very small thing, बहुत छोटी सी चीज sound करती है, but it's amazing यार, because ये सारी चीजों के लिए ना, like growing up and a lot of girls have been shamed. Are also shamed because the moment you put a lot of makeup or you take care of your skin, or वो लगता है कि अरे ये तो vain है, she's vain,
Yeah.
you know, because she cares too much about makeup. But I feel like it's so wonderful that we get to own this, right? And I mean,
So true.
what's the problem in that?
I feel like even on celluloid in that sense, right? There's been this sense of if there's a simple girl and there's a glam girl, the hero will always end up with the simple girl.
Yeah.
Why? Or like you have to be like, oh, she's glam, she's morally inferior. You know, like, or she's a gold digger, or she's a this, or she's a. Why? Why can't I just like my foundation and my concealer and like be a good chick who can still love your mom. Like, why can't those two things coexist?
And the last question in this segment is one thing your mother always told you while growing up that you still hold on to.
More than saying, that's what I love about my mother. More than saying things, she's shown me things through example, and that just sticks with you. Instead of it just being like words, you forget, right? Words are transient, but actions remain with you. And my mom's actions have always stuck with me. Just the way she's dealt with a hard situation, be it at work, be it in any sense of the word, you know, she's always like come out stronger. She's never cried about it. And I'm not saying it's bad to cry about it, but she's never been like, it's over, woohoo, you know? And that's given me a very positive like outlook on life. That makes, you know, it really makes me think, hey, like even if this happens, I'm still chill.
Yeah.
You know?
Now this question coming after what I asked you, thoda sa ironical sound karega, but do you ever get tired of questions, of being asked things about your mom?
Not at all. Please ask my friends how much I bring up my mom on a daily basis. Like,
Love that.
I am so, like, I'm like, you know my mom, you know my mom, you know my mom. And I am, you know, I think people tend to think that in interviews, I've often seen comments and all back when I used to read them anyway. I don't know what they're saying these days. But that, oh, you know, see how much she mentions her mom, because like whatever, because her mom's an actor. Even if my mom was a 9-to-5 worker, even if my mom were a nurse, even if my mom were a college teacher, even if my mom was literally anything, I assure you would still bring up my mom the exact same amount. If you've met my mom, she really is that fascinating and amusing as a person. She is my standard. Like, she is my stencil. I'm like, oh, you know, my mom does this, so I do this. You know, just yesterday, my mom's favorite movie growing up was Mamma Mia. She made me watch it a lot as a kid. So yesterday I watched Mamma Mia because my mom watches Mamma Mia in her free time, you know. So I really am that obsessed with I don't think my mom's that obsessed with me, but I am obsessed with my mother. I was just sitting with my best friend 3 days ago and I was like, you know what, maybe in a past life I was my mom's mom because like this doesn't make sense. You know, so like truly, I will, if you let me, I will speak on my mom over and over and over and over and over again. So never.
Yeah. I have been a huge fan of Shweta Tiwari.
Oh,
and I still
me too.
I know that. And I still am. I mean, I love that woman's aura. कितने साल पहले उन्होंने काम स्टार्ट किया था and you know, and now when you look at her, she still looks the same. Like that aura, that energy, that's still the same and it's just amazing. So yeah, big
Thank
fan.
you so much. That's so kind of you to say.
Yeah, but what I want to ask you is कि so ये perception होता है कि आप अगर अरे पलक की तो mom है यार, she's such a huge star, she's such a big star, तो इसके लिए थोड़ी difficult रहा होगा. It must have been easy for her.
I don't think anybody is looking at me and thinking पलक के लिए तो बिल्कुल difficult नहीं रहा होगा. I think my journey, I love my journey actually. I started off with a music video. Then I did a multi-star film in which I was the least important part of the film. Kisi ka bhai, kisi ki jaan. Then I did Bhutni, which which circles around Sunny Singh, Moni Roy, and I, and Sanjay sir. And now I'm doing Look Here. So I don't think anybody's like, isko to easy mila hai. No, I mean, I'm not saying I've had it the hardest. By no means have I had the hardest, but I've also not had the easiest. And I think what's important is owning your journey and loving your journey. My mom had her own journey and I think she would not have it any other way and I also wouldn't have it any other way. As far as what people think of me is concerned, at the end of the day, what can I really do? No matter how much I go on and yap, they will think what they want to think. At the end of the day, my goal is to impress them with the work that I do in Look Here or otherwise.
Right. So, ये मुझे जानना था कि ऐसा लगता है, like, do you feel that there is something that, you know, something about your journey that people don't see or people get it wrong?
But that's what I'm trying to like tell you, and that's what I hope people understand. I'm okay with them not like having the wrong or a warped idea of what my journey is like. That doesn't matter at all. You know, I don't need them to be like, listen, see how hard it is. No, it's fine. Like, who really cares? At the end of the day, who really cares about my journey? What really matters is the final destination, right? Whether it's been easy for me, whether it's been hard for me, what matters is if you like me doing my work that I'm striving to do, right? Because also, even if they think, oh, it's so hard for her, even if I somehow get them to believe that, which I don't want them to believe that, what will that change?
Correct.
You know, or even if they're like, yeah, it's too easy for her, what will that change? Nothing. So I just think it's irrelevant. And also, I think we give it too much
Importance.
importance. And I really mean we.
Yeah.
Because I don't think anybody has the time to be like, Palak's journey. You know, I really don't think anybody
Correct.
is thinking about us that much to begin with. I think it's a very self-important way of being, which also I've had this like self-realization very recently. You know what? It doesn't even matter what people think of me, because let's be honest, people are barely thinking of me. With this world economy, you think anybody's thinking, Palak Tiwari? No, man. You know what I mean? Like, there are bigger things.
Love it. Love it that you don't take yourself so seriously. But ये अभी develop हुआ है कि
yeah, I think as your frontal lobe
like
develops, you really realize nobody gives a shit. You know? You're like, because you know, as your frontal lobe develops, you're like, do I give a shit? And you're like, no, I don't.
Yeah.
So then you realize, okay, nobody else also does.
Are you ready for another fun segment?
Yes.
It's called This or That Dating Edition.
Oh, let's go.
A guy who is not very active on social media but likes all your pictures, or is super active on social media but doesn't post about you.
The first one, right? There's no option here. The latter, though, I mean, that's a choice.
First one. So, who is not active on social media but likes all your pictures?
Yeah, or doesn't even like my pictures. Who cares? If you're not
Cares.
active, you're not active,
Inactive.
you know? Then though, I think it starts. What do you mean you're not active but you have the time to see all my pictures?
Is great in person but bad at texting, or awkward in person but great at texting?
First one.
This.
Yeah, because I hate texting too.
Okay.
You know, so it's fine.
Match. It's a match then. ठीक है. Same profession or different profession?
You know, growing up, I was like, I could never be with an actor. And then when you become an actor, you're like, nobody wants to date you. That's not an actor. So, yeah, I think same profession.
Same
Nice.
profession.
Yeah.
Okay. Is liked by your friends but not by your mother, or liked by your mother but not by your friends?
You know, it's bold of you to assume that my friends have a brain cell apart from my mother's, like, opinion of anybody. Like, my mom, like, ew, bad. And me and my friends be like, yeah, ew, bad. You know?
Okay.
So, if my mom says, Lavu, ye ladka, my friends will then be like, you know, Palak, ye ladka. I'm like, why? Nahi, wo auntie ne bola, so must be right. So, whatever my mom thinks. At the end
Oh,
of the
wow.
day.
So your friends and your mom get along better?
No.
Then
We are all
probably-
just my mom's minions.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay. Great conversation but no spark or chemistry, or instant chemistry but nothing to talk about?
Instant chemistry. Yeah.
Really?
It's okay. Talking is overrated. And I don't mean that in a lewd way, you freaks. You know, I mean, if like the face card is popping and the chemistry is there, just look into each other's eyes. What are you going to talk about? Talk about things with your friends, you know. लड़के से भी बात करनी है, friends से भी बात करनी है, मत करो यार. Chemistry, man.
Chemistry. Okay. Emotionally available but boring, or super exciting but no EQ? Is that a tough one?
No, it's a very obvious one.
Acha.
But I'm being better at my age. So I'm going to say emotionally available and boring.
Emotionally available and boring.
Boring guys are great. I love them.
Explain.
No, I love boring guys. You know, आज क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं. तुमने खाना खाया. ये. नहीं.
I
Very
love
sweet,
how
very
your
sweet.
idea of boring is तुमने खाना खाया.
No, very sweet. I'm saying it's sweet. I said I love boring guys.
Okay, ठीक है. Emotionally available जरूरी है. EQ होना चाहिए भाई. तुम थोड़े less exciting हो चलेगा. मैं excitement ले आऊंगी. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Resolves things by giving gifts or flowers, or initiates a hard conversation.
Ooh, the latter.
That.
Flowers are overrated, honestly. I'm sorry. The girls are going to kill me. They're like, Arey, pool. My friends just bought me pool in the car for no reason. They had 10 rupees extra. They were like, hey, pool. You know, like, no. 10 rupees extra. Like, छुट्टी का क्या करे pool? You know, like, no. नहीं चाहिए pool.
फूल तो
Yeah,
मेरे
talk.
दोस्त भी दे देंगे यार.
An adult man that knows how to converse beyond 5 words. Wow. You know?
Okay, I agree. Is very passionate but doesn't earn much, or earns a lot but isn't very passionate. And by passionate we mean like passionate about things in his life.
No,
passionate
it's okay
about
if you
work.
don't earn.
Yeah.
Because I earn. Ambition is important, right?
Correct.
Because then, like, where you are presently doesn't really matter because you can take that somewhere. You can translate that into something. But if there's no passion, but you have lots of money, then you lose it eventually.
Yeah.
You know, so what's the point?
Correct. Says everything he feels in the moment or takes time to process before expressing.
Says everything he feels in the moment. Please just say everything you feel in the moment. Because I am like that, right? Like everything's, I mean, clearly, everything's going in my head. I'm like, so if I have somebody that's like premeditating their thoughts and like very calculated with the way they speak, I'll be like, what do you mean? What do you mean you're thinking before speaking and all? Like, that's not fair.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I'd be the same. मतलब takes time to process before expressing. उस time में मैंने कितने
Too much.
कितना like
Too
I would
much.
have overthought and I don't
too
know what.
much. Too
I would have
much.
drawn my own conclusions.
Yeah.
So please just say.
Just say, yeah.
Yeah. Calls you daily but doesn't share much. Or calls once a week but it is the best call ever.
No, it's okay. Don't share much. Even I don't like to share much. Call daily, but what is once a week? You know, like postman or what? No, thank you.
रोज बात करो.
Yeah, 20 second के लिए.
Correct. You always get asked about dating, about who are you dating, about are you dating somebody? Is that irritating beyond a point? Is
Not
that
at all,
like-
because I am dating somebody lucky in Lukhe
Nice plug.
and I love him so much.
Whoa, girl.
Yeah.
What a plug.
So there you go. Yes, I am dating. Love you, Lakshmi Saran. There you go.
मुझे बताओ और वो कौन से फीमेल फिगर्स रहे हैं in your life who have been very very inspiring.
Every time I encounter a woman on a set, I'm always so amazed, right? There's in my mom on set, my nanny at home, or even like with this show, I had the chance of working with Rashi Khanna ma'am, who is so young and so happening, but still a veteran in her own right, right? She's done so much work and so much good work. And the way she commands herself on set with, you know, such gentleness and such ease and like such power still is so inspiring to see. And the way she's nurturing towards her juniors, like myself, you know, the way she's like, you know, she's very kind and she really is very okay sharing her quips and tricks. And I think that's so important, you know, and I think that's very inspiring to me just to be, because, you know, sometimes I think the industry and people in general can make you, especially if you're a woman, they can make you a bit hard and they can make you a bit bitter and they can make you a bit guarded. But to have women that are still like, no, I am still this awesome, cool, very nice, gracious person, but I'm also very stern and guarded when I need to be, and you cannot take me for a ride, and you absolutely won't. And I think she's the perfect balance of that. She is such a force on set, and she commands herself with such grace and ease, and I think that's also very inspiring to see.
Has there ever been like a female figure you watched on screen and really looked up to, like any actor?
It's always been Deepika Padukone. I think she is the very embodiment of an ideal heroine. You know, I've always grown up thinking that she is the quintessential Bollywood heroine. And she's really left a mark on my entire childhood, I think. You know, I've really grown up really admiring her. I have so much adulation in my heart for her. So yeah, 100% Deepika Padukone.
Favorite Deepika film kaun si hai?
Every Deepika film is my, but I think she's so hot in all of them. But I think depends. Om Shanti Om, because how are you so good in your first film? Like, you know, like illegal. But I also really like her. Recently, I loved her in, I think it was, Jawan, with the whole jail sequence. She's so good. Like, how does she exude such like maternity with such strength and such warmth still? Like, she's, wow. The best.
Yeah. So I have a fun segment again for you. It's a fun game. It's called Rate the Lukha Behavior.
Oh, love it.
Okay. So you have to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being the most Lukha behavior, like most annoying.
Okay.
Okay? People who meet you after a really long time and पहली चीज वो ये बोलते हैं कि अरे आपने weight put on कर लिया क्या? या आप पतली हो गई क्या?
I think peak Lukha behavior.
Random uncle or auntie asking you कितना कमा लेते हो?
Five. Because why do you want to know? Do you want to file my taxes for me? Because if that's the case, then please come home. My mom keeps trying to drag me in that room at 2. So please, uncle, auntie, come home and assist. If you can't, then leave it. You know, don't lead me on like this.
Okay, sorry, your hair is distracting. Come here.
Oh my God, don't say that out loud. He'll come.
This. Well. By she means
Rahul.
a hairstylist. Okay.
If you say
He
hair,
cares more
if
about.
you say hair one more time, he will
I can't
come.
say hair.
It's like Bloody Mary.
He cares about your hair more than you care about.
He calls it his hair.
What is this obsession? कहाँ से मिला ये?
No,
कहाँ से पकड़ के लाई हुई?
set पे. But yeah.
Okay. Okay, next one. आप कोई शादी पे गए हो, किसी की शादी अटेंड करने, और वहां पर आपको कोई बोलता है कि you are next. अब तो तेरी बारी.
You know, that aside, can I ask? Nobody asks me or tells me you're next. Nobody has any hopes. I would say none of your business, but nobody's given me that chance yet. So,
So 5.
yeah.
5, no?
But एक बार तो पूछ लो यार. You know.
Okay. People saying Bollywood में तो सब यार बस नशे करते हैं.
Oh, or should I say?
But है ना, ये perception है ना.
हाँ, पता नहीं क्यों
है ना?
और कहाँ से है? Even my friends, like, you know, when they go back home, all their relatives are like, yeah, but palak must be. And they're like, मत पूछो. You know, सच में पूरी रात जगाती है हमें और कार्टून दिखाती है. It's a different kind of a rave. Yes, Satoru Gojo! Domain expansion. But yeah.
People who randomly comment. अगर आपने कोई पिक्चर डाली है इंस्टाग्राम पर और लोग रैंडमली कमेंट करते हैं, इतना भी क्यों पहना?
Yeah, my favorite kind of people, I must say, favorite 5. Let's give them a 10. You know,
Yes.
let's give them a 10.
Yes. Has that happened on your post?
Yeah, ये तो मेरे साथ बहुत होता है.
बहुत होता है?
ये बहुत ज़्यादा. और एक bot comment. I don't know who these bot comments are. But ये हर post में, मतलब मैं 2 सेकंड पहले मैंने post डाली and I see 5 comments. I was like, oh, must be, you know, Victor, my stylist and all. And she's like, आजकल तो followers लाने का नया तरीका की सब दिखा दो. And I'm like, तू फिर से आ गई यार.
Do you engage with all this?
Of course not. Yeah.
No, na? Yeah. Somebody who gives you a career advice when you've not asked for it.
I don't mind it.
Okay.
Could be good, could be bad. You never know. You know, you don't know till you hear it. And also, I think at this point in my career, I could use it. So let's say, but also it's not the best when it's unsolicited. Let's say 2.5.
2.5. Unsolicited relationship advice देने वाले.
I think I'm that.
Okay.
Whenever my best friend's like, oh, आज मैं अपने boyfriend से मिली, I'll be like, you know, boyfriends. उनसे नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
ये क्या advice है पला?
She also knows that I'm giving her bad advice so that I can get her out of myself. This is why she's like, stop talking. But yeah, she'd probably give me a 5.
Okay, and the last one, comparing siblings or friends in front of you.
Ah, that's cheap shit. That's some actual loser shit. That is again a 20. Yeah.
Has somebody compared, I don't know, like, किसी आपके सामने comparison हुआ है कभी?
No, more than that, I think it's just a very, like, you see any 2-3 girls together. Usually 2-3 boys together, you're all like, हाँ, पर ये वाला तो ज़्यादा सुंदर है इन सब में से. कौन ऐसे बात करता है? But when you see 3 girls, you're like, you know, be like that, be like this. Why? Why? You know, like, I just think there's a lot of comparison in female friendships. That's often self-endowed, that's often forced on you by other people. You know, like, they often say women are very insecure, but you don't talk about how much society does to contribute to that insecurity within women. You know, like, if you and I are sitting together, and even if you and I don't have any thoughts of insecurity towards each other, or any ill feelings, it could be ki, oh, I saw what it was like, you know. Like, why can't people see female, like, even like with the 3 of us, we've been friends for so long. so many people have been like, oh, but like, what do you guys even have in common? What do you guys even talk about? Do we ever ask guys what they have in common?
Yeah.
And trust me, they have nothing in common. Men have nothing in common. Men don't talk. Men don't talk. I'm telling you, they don't talk to their friends. They're like, bro, football. I can talk to my friends for hours. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bro, speed. And that's the sentence. Like, I'm often like, it's over. The conversation's over.
What you said was absolutely correct. Bachpan se girls have been pitted against each other.
You know why?
Yeah.
कि उसके साथ मत घूम, उसके साथ मत कर, उसके साथ अरे क्यों यार?
There was a sense of internal competition, be right? Like that's why you said that's why we always wanted to be better than the other girls.
Yeah, because it's
You know?
all based around trying to look better for the boys, na. But like we don't want to look better for the boys.
Right. Okay. The last segment, Palak, it's called the Aurelia Trend Talk segment.
Mhm.
Okay, हम कुछ trends के बारे में, fashion trends के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, and we want to see what your choices are.
Okay.
This or that, साड़ी और सूट,
Sari or suit? Suit.
लहंगा और अनारकली,
Anarkali.
कुर्ता सेट और quad set,
Kurta set.
Indo-Western or traditional,
Traditional.
day wedding or night wedding.
Night wedding.
I also love night
Yeah.
wedding. Yeah.
Stop doing your peras at 6 a.m. guys. Nobody's coming. You know, please.
Correct.
And if you're doing your peras at 6 a.m., then do a court wedding and do your peras for me at 8 p.m. again. Then I'll come. You know, please.
Overdressed or underdressed.
Appropriately dressed. But I'd rather go under than over, for sure.
Heels or sneakers. Heels.
Right now, heels. Promotions.
Okay. Repeat outfit or new outfit every time.
Repeat.
Repeat. And last one, comfort first or fashion first.
Comfort first, guys. Fashion first is so overrated. Bye.
Palak, tell me that since we're talking about ethnic wear, Indian wear, I want to ask you this, that I feel like the young women today are sort of styling Indian wear so wonderfully.
Right?
है ना, and they are sort of owning that. क्योंकि जैसे previous generations के लिए Indian wear एक rule था कि आपको ये पहनना है. This is a rule. You have to
No,
wear.
they were rebelling against almost.
Right,
Yeah.
right. But now, do you see that changing? Do you feel like Indian wear has become more like a daily?
You
wear
know
for
what I
people?
love about Indian traditional wear also is that I think we as a country and we as a community are the only ones that have made our traditional attire evolve with us. And I find that so wonderful. You know, like a kimono is a kimono and it'll always be a kimono. But it's only here that, you know, there'll be a self-draped sari and there will be a, you know, like we keep freshening it up for today's women and for today's men even. Chalo, men ke kurte mein itna kuch advancement aaya nahi hai. But, you know, like with like women, I love how we stylize it now. And I love how we've sort of reclaimed that power. Like now there are kurta like strapless tops and, you know, like kurta crop tops. And I love it. I love how we love our fabric so much and how we're so proud of it now. And I think it's the most beautiful thing. I think I love that Gen Z has been so, and millennials, I think. Millennials, Gen Zs, I love that they've been so proactive about wanting to bring that, you know, pretty Indian girl back. And
Yes.
yeah, she's a winner. I think she deserves to stay.
Right, and without being ashamed of it. I feel
Yeah,
like.
I don't think anybody is ashamed of it anymore. I think
Yeah.
people have two aesthetics, which is crop top, mini skirt, or it's your kurta and
Desi
pajama.
baddie.
Yeah, love it. You know, we love it. We love it.
Palak, I'm very, very excited about what's coming next for you. I
Thank
am very
you.
looking forward to watching this show.
Looking forward.
Looking forward. अरे वाह, ये अभी किया
Just
तुरंत.
yeah. Looking
Girl.
forward to it. Yep.
And thank you so much for being on the Good Girls show.
Thank you for having
And-
me. I had a blast too. Thank you,
Yeah.
buddy. It was so much fun.
I have something for you, two things for you
Oh, you
actually. So there's a ritual on the Good Girl show that every girl who sits on this couch gets this pretty sunflower. And here's a special gift for you because
Thank
you
you.
took the time out to be on the show. ये एक special तोहफा आपके लिए
Thank you so much.
Aurelia की तरफ से. Thank you so much, Palak. And
Bye, buddy.
bye.
Bye, guys.